Hello, everyone. This is Art One, and we're excited. Today is Wednesday, and we want to get started. So today, I want to talk with you all and make sure that you see some examples of student work. And remember, how can we create successful composition by using value? So the way we do that is by using shading. We go from dark to light, making sure you understand value. Okay. So I'm going to share my screen with you guys. All right, so let's look at some Art One students' work. So I'm going to go all my beautiful files that I have. All right, so let's look at student work. All right. Um, this is just some, I want you to see some examples of the project. Go back to student work. Now, this is just an example of the project that a student completed last year. Beautiful job. You can see an example here of how they decided to complete this assignment. Whichever way you turn it, it looks awesome. So they decided to do their project in the way of using the using different patterns. So you see how they sliced it up in the center, and then they have some thin and thick lines, and they just sliced up and did repeated different patterns throughout the composition and have a color scheme. So they have the colors that are warm on the outside and the colors that are cool on the inside. Okay. So they just kind of just sliced it up and put different, look at all these ribbons that they did using value. This is what I'm looking for your final project. All I want on Friday is a sketch of what you're going to be doing. So today, try to go ahead and get started and let me see. I want you to upload today just the start of your sketch of how you're going to do your project. But look at this example. This is a really good example of what I'm looking for. Remember, your sketch is not going to be in color, but I just want you to start your sketch, and then next week we're doing this project like you see it is now. We're doing the final piece on it. So remember, if you need paper for this final piece, you can start coming to school and get your paper at the front office. Some drawing paper. I got this paper that's really good size right here. If you want to get some drawing paper from the school, but just let me know what you need. But this is a beautiful piece here, and this is what I'm looking for if you do it that way. Okay, if you do the Zentangle designs and stuff for your project. Now, let's look at this one. This is another idea, another way you can do your project. Now, notice they don't have a line in the middle of how they did theirs. They just started putting them different places and putting them behind each. Like this is a section, this is a big section. You see how they just broke it up into sections. So they divided their paper into one, two, this is a section, and then this is the last section here. Look at the shading of how it gets lighter in the middle. That's what I'm looking for. When you shade this, when you first draw your piece, you're gonna draw it really light, but then it's gonna start to get, you're gonna use, after you use your color pencils, you're gonna go over it with pen or Sharpie, okay? And these lines are gonna be so crisp. It's gonna be wonderful. So, this is another way you could do your project. Remember, you have option A or option B. So go ahead and start your design. If you want to do it this way, or if you want to do it this way, you can do it this way, or you can do it this way. Okay? You can do it this way. Okay, I'm done. Okay, so I'm just excited. I want to see these beautiful pieces you are gonna make. And please, please, if you're struggling with shading, you need to let me know so I can try to do a session with you and kind of help you understand how to shade, okay? So today I want you to upload today the start of your sketch of what you're gonna do for your project. The final sketch of what you're gonna do is due on Friday. Remember, it's black and white. This one is not in color, okay? But I just want to see your sketch. So I want you to make sure, I'm just trying to make sure you're staying on track and that you start project sketch. Because remember, next week it's gonna look beautiful like this behind us. Okay. Jeez. Anyway. All right. So I'm done. I'm excited to see it. I didn't want to hold you all up long today because you got a lot of things to do. You got to go ahead and start drawing. Don't forget your eye openers are due on Friday. Do one a day. It seems like with the eye openers, don't forget that when you upload them on Friday, that you're going to it's probably best to put them in like a Google slide, pictures. You can put all 5 of them up there or put them in a Word document and upload it that way so you can get all 5 up there, because some of you all just uploading one and that doesn't work. Okay, it's every day you have a drawing. Okay, all right, thank you.